Hey fishing friends, welcome back to eFishin. I'm Rodney, and today it's day 3 of our Guntersville trip. And well, we had a storm pass through last night, and it lingered on in the morning, and it was kind of wild there for a minute. But anyways, we finally made it out to the lake here, and we've kind of moved off to a new spot. We haven't fished yet since we've been down here. We trailered to it, and we're gonna see what we can find. But anyways, well, let's go fishing.
Oh, that's a good one.
I don't know. About that. There's one. It's on the swim bait. How about that?
Say something.
Yeah, there it is. How's that? Sure, it's on. What you after?
Swim bait.
Swim bait.
Yeah.
Here's one.
Another one.
I got it.
All right.
There we go. Look at that one. Get right there. Got the old rivet again. There we go. Another pound and a halfer. Good straw?
Nah. I'll let you have it. And I'll just wish I was throwing one if she can.
Ooh. There's one.
Yeah.
Back in there and get that thing.
Huh?
Go back in there and get that thing.
Another one?
The one you just had.
That was a little bitty thing.
I bet it was a good one.
Might have been.
They'll eat it. I mean, if they miss it, gotta get right back in there. There we go, another 2-pounder on that black frog. How about that? Well, the wind's getting up, and we really haven't caught that many fish since this morning when we first got here. And well, we're going to load the boat up. We're going to go find some lunch, and we'll see you guys back out here in a little bit. Well, we've made it back out to the lake. We got some lunch, and found a few fish out on the ledge. So we're going to see if we can't find them. And if we can't do that, we're just going to hunt and peck around and see what we can do this afternoon. Let's go fishing. Dropped it right on her head.
Wouldn't even look at it, huh?
Didn't budge or nothing. Swinging.
Not that good, but it's fish.
Well, we've been chasing fish around. We can find fish stacked up on points and ledges and whatnot. And they're just not very active. At least we can't get them to bite. But we're going to keep at it, see what we can do. We've caught a few small ones, but I don't know. We're going to keep going, see what we can find.
Nice feller. Finesse worm. Had to go to that. It's been tough today. This post front, cold front, kind of shut them down. There we go. Pretty fish. Oh, that's getting big.
Biggin.
They do make them little down here, just in case you're wondering. There we go. They're biggins. They're biggins.
Whole herd of little ones there, huh?
There's a whole stash. That's a spotty.
Yeah.
About that, a Guntersville spot. I can see him. Can you see him on the scope?
Yeah.
See if it swings back around there to the left a little bit. There's a whole pile of them up there. See him right there? See that?
Yeah.
You see that fish in the grass right there?
Yep, I did.
See him right there?
Yep. Straight away, huh?
Right there. Yep. Yeah. Sniper fish. That's a little better one there.
Yeah, it is.
Not real big, but
Mean
better
one.
fish. There's a sniper fish. Tom's gonna get up here and get on the action now. Get that.
Sinker you used to be using.
8.
8.
There we go. Nice little fish. If I got you,
Do what?
if I got you back here.
What do you just suck it under?
Yeah.
Got him? Nice.
Ah, finally. Ain't a real big one, but it's a nice fish. Stop it, stop it, stop it. There we go. How's that?
Yeah.
There's one.
Big one? Yep.
Real big. That's a good fish.
What'd you catch out on?
Ribbit.
Swinging him. He looked bigger when he came out back there, didn't he?
No, he did. There's another one on the old black frog. Better get you one.
Well, that's going to wrap up day 3 down here on Guntersville. It was kind of rough with that cold front pushing through. It just kind of shut them down. They seem to bite a little better in the afternoon, so hopefully in the morning we'll get on some fish. But anyways, thanks for stopping by. I'm Rodney, and check us out next time on our day 4 of fishing down here on Guntersville. We're out.